Alright, welcome to the unboxing of the K&F Concept camera battery and charger. I bought this specifically for my DJI Osmo Action 6. I saw that the batteries were a little bit larger, not in size but in capacity, so trying this out. K&F little card in here. Some information, looks like about batteries. Here's the case. Let's check this out. Alright, has some slots for their SD cards up here too, which is nice. USB-C plug to charge the overall case, and then 3 batteries. And these are, it says for the 5, 4, and 3, but the nice thing about the Osmos is that they're all backwards compatible, and these are 2100 milliamp hours as opposed to the ones that came with it are 17. So you just plop these in. It keeps closing on me. I don't know if that's good or bad. 2 and 3. And then you will I'll plug this in and let you all know how it goes. Oh, it has a USB-A. There you go. Peel this. Okay, and now I got all the batteries all charged up fully. If you pull one out, put it in the action cam. Pulled this one out already. This is the original here. This one can charge that original 1700 or 1950 milliamp hour.